Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify theme not loading. So if your Shopify theme is not loading, follow these troubleshooting steps to fix it. The number one way is clearing your browser cache. Open your browser on which you're using Shopify, click on three-dotted icon at the top right, click on settings. Now choose privacy, search and services, scroll down and click on choose what to clear after choosing clear browsing data now. Now choose download history. Now here make sure you choose cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After you do this, click on clear now button. It will instantly clear your browser cache. That will instantly solve your problem. Now another way to fix this problem is disabling browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with Shopify. Disable ad blockers or script blockers and refresh your page. In order to do that, click on extension at the top. Click on Manage Extensions. Simply choose to remove extensions that could be causing these problems offline. You can choose Remove and click on Remove again. That will instantly remove all the extensions from your browser and that could solve your problem. Now third step to solve your problem is checking Shopify server status. So type in Shopify server status in a new tab and navigate to shopifystatus.com, and as you can see all systems are operational. But if you see all systems are not operational or a red cross here, that means you'll have to wait for a while and then log in back to Shopify, and that could fix your problem. Now another way to do this is trying a different browser or device. You can simply open another browser or device and you can simply log into Shopify on that browser, and that could fix your problem because some browser related issues creates hindrance in the process. Now, fifth step to solve this problem is switching to a default theme. In Shopify admin, navigate to online stores, then navigate to themes, then simply scroll down and click on the add option under default themes available just right here. And if the default theme loads, the issue is with your current theme. That means your theme has problem, nothing else. Now sixth way to solve this problem is checking for conflicting custom codes. So if you have added custom codes, undo the recent changes in theme.liquid, custom CSS or JavaScript files and revert to the last working version. Now, if the issue still persists, contact Shopify support for assistance. Click on settings at the bottom. So, these were the ways through which you can fix your problem. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.